Welcome to this video where we'll show you how to keep your email address private on Facebook by making it visible only to your close friends. This is an important step in maintaining your online privacy and ensuring that your personal details aren't accessible to everyone. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu where you can access various settings and features. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings from the options provided. This will take you to a page where you can manage different aspects of your Facebook account. Under the Account Center section, tap on Personal Details. Here, you'll find information about your account, including your contact details. Tap on Contact Info and locate your email address. Select it to proceed with adjusting its visibility settings. Now, tap on Facebook Account and then choose Change Visibility on Facebook. This option allows you to control who can see your email address on the platform. To make your email address visible only to your close friends, choose the Close Friends option from the list. This ensures that only those you've designated as close friends can view your email address. By taking these steps, you're enhancing your privacy on Facebook and limiting who can access your contact information. This is especially useful if you want to keep your personal details private while still being connected with your close friends. Remember, maintaining privacy on social media is crucial in today's digital age. By controlling who can see your email address, you're taking a proactive step towards securing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in securing your email address on Facebook. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.